let's solve direct. So I'll draw my circle. Then I'll show the distance. Okay, so why do I normally draw these two lines? It's to show me the north, south, the east and the west part of the earth. So let's represent an aircraft flies from P latitude 30 degrees north. So this is my 30 degrees north, 30 degrees northern part, and then longitude is 20 degrees east. Okay, 20 degrees east. So this is my 20. Okay, this is it here, 20 degrees east. Okay, so where the two of them there is the P. Now the aeroplane flies from that particular point to another point, and that new point is Q, and the latitude is 30, which is already drawn, so I'm not going to redraw it again. Then lambda degrees east. All right, a distance of 3,500 kilometers. Now if Q is due east of P, so it's on the eastern side of P, so that means I have to shift from this P down to this eastern side. So this is where Q will be found. All right, and that is lambda degrees east. Okay, so where the 2 points met, this latitude 30 and this lambda east is our Q. So already we have got the distance between P and Q. So what we are looking for now is this lambda. So question says find the value of lambda, correct to the nearest degree. So I'll begin by saying PQ distance. The distance PQ is equal to theta over 360 times 2 pi capital R cos alpha. Okay, because it is along the parallel of latitude. So let's get theta. Theta is what we are looking for, so there's no value for theta yet. Now PQ is given to be 3,500, so I'll replace it there, 3,500. That's equal to theta over 360 times 2 times the pi given here is 3.142 times 6,400 times cos the common latitude there is 30. Okay, so theta will be equal to 3500 times 360, okay, divided by 2 times 3.142 times 6,400 cos 30. Okay, so theta, when we calculate this, giving me 36.2. because it's an angle, I can leave it to one decimal place. But actually this is not what they are looking for. Okay, we are looking for lambda, and because the two longitudes are on the same side of the earth, we subtract. So the angular difference is equal to the bigger one, which is lambda, minus the smaller one, which is 20. Okay, so lambda will be equal to theta plus 20, which is equal to lambda. So we've already calculated this theta, which is 36.2, then plus 20, which is equal to lambda. Therefore lambda will be equal to, add them together, I'll be having 56.2 degrees. Okay, 56.2 degrees east. So that's the value of the lambda.